Okay, so I couldn't find someone to role play the conversation with. However, I'm gonna try to do it myself. So, hey Kate, I need your help. Sure, Sean, what is it? I need to interview a friend for a homework to school. I will ask you some questions. No problem, Sean. Let's do it. Question number one. Are you from England? No, I'm not. Was your mother like Kate? She is a beautiful English woman. How old are you, Kate? I am 20 years old. Hey, Sean, I don't like talking about my age. Don't worry, Kate. This is just homework from school. I won't tell anyone about this. I feel better to hear that, Sean. You know that we girls don't like talking about these personal topics. I know it, Kate. Well, I need to go home right now. Can we continue later? Sure, no problem.